everyone, so today I'm going to be making one of my favorite breakfasts. It is soy layu, which is like a sticky rice with coconut milk and pandan flavor. So the sticky rice has been soaking overnight. I'm just going to put it in a regular rice cooker, and we're going to just fill that up with coconut milk. Just so that it barely covers the rice. We're going to give that a good mix. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to add some fresh pandan leaves, some coconut flakes in there. Give that a good mix through. And in case you notice, I'm actually going to be cooking this in the rice cooker, so it cooks by itself. It's super fast and super easy. And then I'm just going to add in a couple drops of pandan extract. I'll go ahead and try to find a link to it, and probably on Amazon, and I'll list it in the description box below. But yeah, so we just want to add in a couple drops of that for that vibrant green color and the flavoring. I'm gonna say about half a teaspoon. And we mix that up. So we have like an artificial pandan flavor as well as that fresh pandan from the pandan leaves. Now if you can't find pandan leaves in your local Asian market, you can go ahead and omit that. It does add a really nice like fresh pandan like smell to it, aroma, but it can be left out and it still tastes pretty good. Okay, we're just gonna mix that all up. Make sure that it is mixed through. All good, and then we put it in the rice cooker. And we're just gonna cook it like a normal pot of rice. This might take a couple times, so after one cook session, it seems like it's not quite done yet. The rice is a little too soft, and I can still see a lot of the moisture in there. So I'm just gonna give that a good mix, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in for another round of cooking. Alrighty. And you'll see that it's nice and soft and fluffy, and there shouldn't still be like coconut milk sitting around. Now if you still see that bit of moisture in there, you can cook it again. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and serve this with some more of the shredded coconut on top and a little bit of that toasted sesame seed and roasted peanut. Just a little sprinkle on top. And there you go, guys. It's super easy, super quick, and it's my favorite kind of like quick breakfast to make. Hope you guys enjoy.
I feel like you made it green because it's my favorite color, so thank you. I appreciate it. We got some sticky rice here with
shredded coconut, and then they have that peanut and sesame on top.
There you
And it's pandan flavored.
go.
You like it?
Oh, good. I know it's only one bite, but might do a couple more just for trial. Anyways, yeah, it's super good.
This is usually like a breakfast item.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's more like a dessert. But whatever it is, it's good. I'll eat this all day, every day. Try this out, guys. Again, I tell you, it's good. It really is good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode, guys. Thank you.